Chris, sum up your emotions at the end of that match.
Yeah, I'm disappointed. I think almost. It was when we played here the last time against Serbia and lost 3-0. That was a tough night, but maybe worse tonight because we were leading for so long and not really in too much trouble in the game. We managed the game very well against a good Serbia team. We've been setting the tempo in the group, and we hit the post at one end. They hit the post at the other end seconds later, and it's in the back of the net, and that's a tough one to take because apart from that offensive action in the second half, I don't really remember our keeper making too many saves. They had a bit of possession, but you expect that, but we're never really in trouble. So yeah, we're out. The players are absolutely devastated because we had the edge back tonight, I felt, and we're disappointed not to get the 3 points.
Wel, mae'n siomedig oherwydd oedden ni'n meddwl bod ni yn mynd i ennill y gêm wrth gwrs a mae'r gol hwyr yn ergyd, ond drwodd y thro, da ni'n blessed iawn efo be da ni wedi ofyn i'r chwaraewyr i wneud ac be maen nhw wedi drio wneud, ond yn hynod o siomedig wrth gwrs efo'r ergyd greulon at i'r diwedd.
Ie, oedd na llai na funud dwi'n credu rhwng Bale yn taro'r postyn ac yna Serbia yn unioni'r sgôr. Pa mor ddylanwadol ydy'r 52 eiliad yna?
Ie, 52 eiliad a ryw fodfadd dwi'n feddwl o wahaniaeth rhwng i ni mynd i mewn ac unhw yn dod allan. Ond dyna di pêl-droed, da ni'n ymwybodol o hynny weithiau. Mae'n mynd i chdi, weithiau dydy ddim, ond ti fod allan i ddim fod wedi gofyn dim mwy allan o'r chwaraewyr ac o'r perfformiad maen nhw wedi rhoi, felly da ni'n gwybod pa mor galad maen nhw wedi gweithio, pa mor dda maen nhw wedi gweithio, ac da ni'n agos iawn i gael yr ail gol na, ac fysa'r ail gol na wrth gwrs wedi golygu fod y munudau oedd yn weddill wedi bod yn rei cyffyrddus, ond dyna pêl-droed, da ni'n gwybod hynny, ac heno ma di ddim wedi mynd o'n plaid ni.
Yeah, we're all gutted. We put in a very good team performance today, and another day we'd have seen it out, and obviously Gareth went the other end has hit the post and come out, and there's hit the post and goes in. So that's football. We need to learn from this. We need to see games out. But it's a massive game against Ireland next, and we need to perform.